Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Rezwan.rono. Subscribe me for future tutorials. Today I am going to be showing you how to create a system repair disk on Windows 10. So let's get started. Go down to search box and write down control. Now click to open control panel. Go to system and security, then click on file history. Now you want to come down to bottom left hand side. Here system image backup. Click to open it. We are going to create a system repair disk. So click to open it. Now all you have to do is to insert a blank DVD disk into the DVD drive. Let me give you a definition of system repair disk. A system repair disk can be used to boot your computer. It also contains Windows system recovery tools that can be help you recover Windows from a serious error or restore your computer from a system image. So select your DVD drive and click on Create Disk. It will start the processing of making a system repair disk. So my work is done. If you like my videos, make sure to comment down below and make sure to subscribe me.